I feel a lot of guys, यानी मैं खुद की भी बात कर रहा हूँ यहाँ, सारे नहीं पर बहुत सारे, you lose your ability to love after a certain age fully.
Don't say that.
मतलब आप caring रहते हो, you
Why
become a
would you say
nicer
that?
person.
That's wrong.
ये एक बहुत देखो,
You lose your ability to love.
थोड़ी सी
I think as adults, you just become less adjusting. And adjustment is the first thing that's needed when you're with a partner.
हाँ, I think a relationship becomes much more about being the right person also for the other human being. But on some level, I'm not able to articulate it exactly, like what I'm trying to say. But loosely, it's this key. As a guy, a lot of guys, not all, a lot of guys lose the ability to love. एक बार जब दिल बहुत बुरी तरह से टूट जाता है, तब
टूटा है?
Of course. And I'm still trying to be a very good partner at this stage because I'm very conscious of that. And ये मैंने मेरे partner से भी बोला है. And I feel like a girl's ability to love increases with age. And for a lot of guys, the ability to love decreases with age. It's also because of the weight of the world. ये वो. Again, ये generalized statement नहीं है. कुछ ऐसे.
I feel like the guys mature later.
हाँ.
Usually. At least in India.
All over the world.
Really?
Yeah.
But they do. I feel like women mature faster actually.
For sure. I feel कि also लड़कियों की वो EQ बहुत ज़्यादा होती है inherently. वो भी तेज़ी से बढ़ती है. Guys की EQ भी बढ़ने लगती है एज के साथ. But there's a lot of ये मैंने repeatedly show पर भी ये बात कही है. ठीक है. I'm sure even you face sexism in your whole life and all that. तो being a girl, there's a lot of problems in human society. But कुछ ऐसे problems होते हैं being a guy. Like which, and most guys are not able to articulate this also. But ये बहुत सारे लड़कों की reality होती है कि you're dying on the inside. And somewhere in the process of that death, you're not able to fully give love to anything except one day you hope कि maybe when after I have kids, I'll probably save it for them. Again, ये मैं generalize नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I have a lot of friends जिनकी शादी हो चुकी है and they love their wives immensely. And maybe that's the case here as well. Maybe after marriage, I think love obviously might change.
Do you think what you're saying as a personal experience, I'm assuming, is something that comes from a heartbreak, and then a lot of men, from what I've seen, how women take heartbreak and how men take heartbreak, a lot of men shut down.
Yes.
They don't want to open up again, from what I've sensed.
Yeah. That's
Women
exactly.
take the heartbreak very differently.
Yeah.
Some of them become a little less trusting depending on what happened with them. But some of them are still open to love.
Yeah. I think there's a lot of pain that comes with being a guy. There's a lot of privilege, a lot of material privilege, safety
the pain
privilege.
that comes with being a guy, like what?
It's the obvious cliched things कि बचपन से आपको बोला
You're
जाता है.
asked to be strong.
You're asked to be of value to the world, materially speaking. And the more value you provide, the better. The more people you're able to help, the better. And if you're not of value in one way or the other, you'll be discounted by society. तो ये सारे लड़कों के दिमाग में ना एक रेस चल रही है. Okay, from a spiritual perspective, okay? I think कि औरत होने के नाते एक जर्नी होती है, मर्द होने के नाते दूसरी जर्नी होती है. जैसे कहते हैं कि ना an ideal relationship. ये again बहुत generalized statement है.
Yeah.
We're not talking about gender roles.
A man is supposed to be a provider.
Yeah. On a more
Superficial level.
I would want to take care of my girl's external world, and I would want my girl to take care of my internal world. The question is why? Because society makes the external world for a girl difficult and the internal world for a guy difficult. And that's why you bounce between male births and female births, to learn both the difficulties.
That's so beautiful what you just said.
ये हम यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे?
I have no idea. We were talking about school crush.
Possessiveness.
What happened?
My overarching point is आसपास के बहुत सारे लड़के हैं जिनकी क्वार्टर लाइफ क्राइसिस हो रही है इसी वजह से कि मेंटल हेल्थ चकनाचूर हो चुकी है. Because the internal world is fucked.
Because of what? Because you're not able to express. What is it?
I'm a very expressive guy.
Huh.
Okay, and like I openly, I think the audience also knows my mental health is like at this stage. I don't know the
I'm trying to understand how you and I are different.
as male and female.
Yeah. Like how, like you're an expressive guy, I'm an expressive girl. You've had whatever to provide for family or to earn or a pressure to do well or whatever by whoever or yourself. I've gone through a similar journey. Not had pressure, I would say, but I've gone through a professional grind. How is your internal turmoil different from mine? Like,
I'm sure you will also say nothing ever feels enough. You always want to keep climbing.
that's a thing. That's a
For me, as a guy, when I say nothing ever feels enough, I say it from a place of pain rather than from a place of ambition. Okay?
pain coming from heartbreak.
विकास दिव्य कीर्ति नाम के एक यूपीएससी कोच आए थे शो पर एंड आई थिंक ही इज इन द टॉप 1% ऑफ पीपल इंटेलेक्चुअली स्पीकिंग हु हैव हैड ऑन द शो. उन्होंने एक बहुत क्रेजी, आई थिंक इट्स अ फ्रॉइडियन साइकोलॉजी थ्योरी, उन्होंने एक बहुत क्रेजी थ्योरी शेयर करी थी कि बचपन में एक छोटे लड़की की रियलिटी और एक छोटे लड़के की रियलिटी बहुत अलग होती है. उस लड़के को अपनी मम्मी से दूर किया जाता है एट सम पॉइंट. यू आर नॉट अलाउड टू स्लीप ऑन द सेम बेड. यू आर टोल्ड नो नो नाउ क्रिएट डिस्टेंस. लड़कियों के साथ जनरली स्पीकिंग ये नहीं होता टू अ लार्ज डिग्री. एंड दैट प्रोसेस ऑफ सेपरेशन इन चाइल्डहुड फॉर अ गाय leaves that guy feeling like nothing is ever enough. I'm not good enough. There's something wrong in me. और ये रह जाता है. इसलिए लड़कों की एम्बिशन, स्पेशली एम्बिशियस लड़कों की एम्बिशन कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती. एंड दैट वॉइड इज़ ऑफन अ प्लेस ऑफ पेन. कि यार मैं कुछ भी करूँ एम्बिशन ख़त्म ही नहीं हो रही. लाइक आई एम ऑलमोस्ट टायर्ड ऑफ बीइंग एम्बिशियस. एंड इट्स नॉट जस्ट मी. I talk for like cricketers, politicians, billionaires I've had on the show. Same problem. ये mostly सिर्फ एक stable marriage के बाद sort हो जाता है क्योंकि आपकी wife एक मम्मी का रोल निभाती है to a large degree. ये मैंने observe किया podcast के through.
Do you think all men somewhere look for their mother in the girlfriend?
I think even women look for a father in the boyfriend. I think both need to have roles. It can't be fully going. Both have to parent each other.
I feel not always. I don't think women have that always.
All the girls I've dated, maybe that's my type also, but I've noticed this about girls from far. I've noticed this about human beings. You want that parenting from above on some level. What is all this attachments, like acts of service, love languages?
I don't think I've ever looked for a parent in my partner.
Yeah?
I don't think so.
Okay, आपकी love language क्या है?
Love language, maybe what I expect.
Same ही.
What I want. I think just smaller things that effort in a concise way. Effort, I think. When you make an effort for the other person, the smaller things you remember. Just a nice hug when you need it. That good morning message. Just the fact that you don't have to ask for attention or love. It is there because they want it to be there. Just remembering small things, you know.
जो actually in a human experience आपकी family आपके लिए करती है.
No, family, of course, you look for a family and a partner and a companion. You look, see, family is what God gives us, and your partner is the only family that you choose.
Okay.
Apart from your friends also, but still, the one that you live with. So somewhere you look for everything that you want in family also.
I don't know, I feel...
But yeah, you want home in that person, in a way, right? You want to be at ease. You want to be at your all guards down, not being judged.
एक बहुत psychological perspective से, hyper psychological, I define that as a form of a parent only.
See, parent is a very different. Parent is more just protect. Parent is not companionship, I feel. Companionship is
Combination of parenting and friendship.
Yeah, you look for friendship. Very important, I feel. You know, to be able to talk for hours, to be able to be stupid, you know, with each other. Like do stuff that is embarrassing and dumb and laugh over it.
Okay.
That.
100% sure you're going to marry. In life.
In life, of course.
Kids?
I want.
Yeah.
I love kids.
क्यों चाहिए बच्चे?
Because I love kids. I feel like that makes family, you know, eventually.
Family life is a goal,
Part of my goal, part of life.
part of the perfect vision for life.
I don't think there's any perfect life, but I do envision myself having a sweet family that I come back to from doing whatever I love doing in my professional space, and just finding peace there and just feeling happy and at ease.
जब आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ हैंग आउट कर रहे हो, क्योंकि ये मेरे साथ होता है, nowadays a lot of the conversations are about potential family life.
Potential
Like
family.
लड़कियों से जब बात करें तो
Yeah.
conversations about egg freezing and all that.
Yeah.
लड़कों से बात करें तो about finances. Okay, your finances in place, bro? Will you be able to pay for the kid?
I mean, to be honest, हाँ, लड़कों से ज़्यादा ये बात होती है. I think, see, I feel like a lot of the societal things need to change.
Yeah.
Little bit. Like how we're trying to shift this whole men-women thing also, the balance has been
Gender
off.
roles.
Yeah. Gender roles in general, I feel. I feel when you talk about a partner, it's a partner. You have to be partners in life, you know. So I feel we've defined these roles very conveniently कि ये तुम्हारा काम है, ये मेरा काम है. But eventually ये दोनों का काम है.